Hello everybody. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Welcome to Cooking Up Revolution. We're just going to have a nice short little video here today highlighting what I am having for my dinner tonight, which is a barbecued chicken breast and bacon ranch on a nice good old hamburger bun. So to start it off here, I've got my hamburger bun toasted and buttered on both sides. I always prefer to have my hamburger bun toasted. Makes things not soggy and makes a nice good solid base to put all your toppings on. And then add the butter for that nice little extra bit of kick. We got our ranch dressing. We will just put a nice little dollop on each side. Boop. Boop. And then, nice little extra bit of barbecue sauce. Throw that one on the top here. It'll come out. There we go, just a smidgen. There we go, that's good. Then we are going to take our ever so trusty butter knife. We'll spread that around all the way out to the edges so you don't get no plain bite. No white people bite. No seasoning or sauce on it. There we go. Yeah, I love that little sound of a knife on a crunchy bun. Okay, there we go. So we got that happening. And we got our bacon. Baked bacon. Some nice thick cut old-fashioned PC bacon. Literally some of the best shit I've ever had. Baked in the oven. Okay, so we'll take a leaf first. Just got a nice little romaine lettuce leaf. Boom, slap that on there, no problem. Slap our bacon on there. Get a good few slices. Oh. 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 Yeah, I wasn't kidding. Okay, then we got this side. Grab some red onion. I'm trying to do this all one-handed here, so forgive me for being a little jerky. Okay, there we go. We got that. We're gonna throw on some tomato rounds. And we're going to grab one of our grilled, barbecued chicken breasts here. We'll slap that on top of the bacon. Boom, put that on top. Now look at that. You know that looks awesome. And you can make your own too. No need to give these corporations all our money, feeding us unreal food. We can make all the goodness right here in our own kitchens. Alright, so I hope everyone's having a great night. Be good to yourselves, be good to each other. Cook up a revolution.